lay some fiberglass. I'm gonna do the hood because, like I showed you when I revealed everything, it's cracked. So what I'm gonna do is get everything mocked up and prepped, and then I'll turn the camera back on. I'm gonna be doing little clips just because I want to see if it's better than me yapping long. So what I've done is put some fiberglass on there. There's a hole right there that I put on, and a spot right here. I still have to fix the little spot right there, and this big corner that's a little fuckered up. So I'm gonna put a piece of fiberglass over that, and there's a spot right here that I need to do. Other than that, I think I'm gonna do is take these screws out for the hood pin, and or maybe I'll figure out to get a piece of metal over there where it's originally, because mine usually go right here and right here. But I think the kit came out pretty good. I didn't film much last night just because it was cold and I wanted to get it done, and I don't want to have a 20-minute video of me just yapping away. So now, as you can see right over in there, I've sanded most of it down, and I've got the full kit, well, majority of the kit installed. It is a BN Sport kit. Now, the only thing I'm trying to hunt down, if you guys know anyone that has the BN style, sport style front fenders, don't mind the little mess over there, but I've got the Silvia front end, or Silvia hood on. It's had a little damage right here, but what can I, it was a good price. So there's damage there, there's damage right there, as you guys can see, and underneath, you can't really see much, but where it's white over there, that was damaged too. So what I gotta do is sand it down. I'm gonna set you guys up on a little bit of a time lapse. I'm gonna sand down some more of the car and get it ready for paint. So I didn't film much, but right now what I'm doing is I'm working on customizing my fender, or my over fenders. So I'm doing a little bit of fiberglass. Yeah, there's 2 screws here, but what I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna put fiberglass and then build this up so it's smooth, and take those out after it dries, and then put another sheet over. So just so you guys know what I'm doing, I didn't ditch you guys. I'm just trying to maybe do my videos a little bit different. So Get some fiberglass here, and maybe you guys can see what I'm doing. So right now I'm just setting up some fiberglass mat. I don't like using the hair. The mat's a little bit better just for purposes like this. You get the fiberglass, and then you get resin right there. And you paint it on. Just something for the fiberglass to grip onto. Then you take your fiberglass piece and then pretty much spread it out. Try to get this thing ready for the end of, well, it's going to be ready for April 14th, so. Well guys, it's the next day. Now I know I didn't film much the other day, but this is what I've got done. I've got the over fenders all mocked in, the back bumper, and the other over fender. Now what I did is the front fenders for this kit are expensive, and I don't have the money right now. So I cut my old side skirts up because the front fender matches up to right here on the side skirt, because the side skirt goes from here back. Now what I did, I took my old side skirts, cut them up, and laid a bunch of fiberglass down. I'm going to sand this and prep it for, get it prepped for paint. And I had to extend this, which I'm going to strengthen this up a bit more. But I've also got the hood mocked up, which is right there underneath. I've got that, and it's going to go on hood pins right here and right there. So next thing I'm going to do is to put the front bumper on, but I don't know how I'm going to do that right yet, because I'm trying to put flip up headlight bumper or flip up headlight fenders with the Silvia front bumper, so I gotta somehow customize that onto it and go from there. But I'm not gonna film that because all of this is me mocking it up right now. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. It might be on the next video. But I'm gonna end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with your friends. It means a lot. If you guys are into drifting and modding cars like this, then hit that subscribe button. It's either up here or down there. Can't remember where it is. But like I said, be prepared for more footage, because I've got some wicked stuff coming up. There's a drift event in a month, so hopefully I'll be able to make it out to that, which I should be able to. And if you know anyone, if any of my viewers out there are watching and have the RB20 center like coil pack cover, hit me up. I want to find that. And I will see you on the next one, guys.